It's the military version of the same motor.
You can hear him running it up right now. Here it goes.
They'll pitch this nose up almost 25 degrees, Matt.
Yeah, that really does feel like you're going straight up inside the aircraft. Look at this. There they go.
Major Doc Schumacher, Lieutenant Colonel Jonathan J.
Speed run-in right here from the right with our big C-17 demonstration crew here from Washington State.
First flown in 1991, September of that year. Production for the United States military is somewhere around 225 with another 50 or so with other air arms around the world. Capable of speeds over 500 miles an hour.
Remarkable. Here comes the center point turnout. Look at this. All the way around. And you notice how quiet this thing is. Those high bypass turbofans on this airplane really make it able to sneak in and sneak out of some very, very hostile areas around the world. If you need to slip in quietly and be as unnoticed as possible, I mean, it's not a good idea to show. It's got those, well, it does have it. You'll see what we're talking about here in a few seconds, but not in the traditional sense. And not on this pass.
The leading edge slats are down. The trailing edge flaps are down. And that changes the shape of the wing. More drag, but more lift at low speeds.
Yeah, and what Rob's talking about are those leading edge slats. So along the forward section of the wing, you'll see it. They're drooping slightly forward, and it changes the entire shape of that big wing up there. All right, Rob, here you go. Looking airplane when it comes by, and you can hear it powering it up.
It's the Pratt & Whitney F-117 engine as they clean it up and set up for the next pass. And that'll be a 360-degree turn, and we'll be able to see, kind of get a good glimpse at the maneuver to take care of it all and do it very, very quickly.
Do it efficiently as well. This is a very friendly airplane when it comes to fuel efficiency. It's one of the best at heavy lift in that part.
It's also very friendly with respect to maintenance because the panels there, rather than having big stands to get up on the side of the thing, you can work it off the ground level. So maintenance technicians can take care of it.
Let's call the turn here when he comes around. We'll see this 360-degree turn with the C-17. Again, a very large airplane showing you its maneuverability here and really some agility. What are we at there, Rob? About 30 degrees of bank?
Thereabouts, yeah. And when you think of that, they can do that if they're fully loaded, then it's 585,000 pounds maximum gross weight.
Just remarkable. So what we're seeing today is a demonstration as if it were fully loaded.
You bet. They can carry 102 fully equipped combat troops, but they have done humanitarian missions where they have literally taken one patient from the battlefield and gotten that patient on board with a surgical suite and emergency and physicians to treat that soldier or airman, that serviceman or woman. Get them to Germany and then get them back home, and then they fly them to an airport close to their homes because
that's our commitment.
And the commitment, and patients get better quicker. And because of this capability of short field takeoff and landing, it can operate at some 6,000 more airports than the much larger C-580s.
Well, it get there reliably, as you said earlier.
Exactly. Now, what are those things on the end of the wings?
No, those are big winglets. As Kent Beach would say, they're wing dingers. No, but they really do. They greatly assist in the fuel efficiency and the overall.
Top in what, 1,500 feet or so?
That's right. And then they're going to back it up a little bit. We'll see. This is always fun to watch. The C-17 on final.
I'll have to get my school bus backup.
Yes.
Stuff. From the left, from Joint Base McCord, Major Derek Fiebig, Major Doc Shoemaker, Lieutenant Colonel Jonathan Ferris, and also Technical Sergeant Jorge Garcia Hernandez. Let's watch him.
I wonder if we'll see the loadmaster right there on the back end here.
I bet we will.
Keep our eyes peeled. Now notice where they're going to touch down, right here in front center.
You'll watch these nacelles open up. As soon as they touch down, they'll thrust reversers, and this is about as much noise as this airplane will ever make. That an aircraft this advanced would have a backup camera.
But it doesn't. Yeah,
it's
all
the
by
loadmaster.
All by fuel. So, yeah, there he is. Very impressive job there from our C-17 crews. Is that the keys to the F-35 that this is?
There's a good reason they have this capability.
Well, you never know when you need to back up on an airfield. I mean, it might be only one way in and one way out, right? Well, and even sometimes, you know, if it's a crowded airport, they ask you to parallel park. And it saves money and time. So.
As big as it is, though, it's still a turnaround and 90-foot piece of concrete.
Be more in front of shows in their area.
There you go. Let's see if you can hear them. They're going to come back through here by the crowd, is what he said.